Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Microsoft Store is not opening on your Windows. So if this is not opening, then you cannot download your favorite apps from the Microsoft Store. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the Start button and you have to click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find Time and Language. Click on the Date and Time. Make sure you are in a current correct date and time by clicking on this button, Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically. Also click on Sync Now button to make sure you are in a current correct date and time. Now once done, for the next method is we can also run the Windows Store Troubleshooter. So click again on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. So here we need to look for the Windows Store apps from here. So I don't have this in my Windows, but in your case, if you have the Windows Store apps, just simply click on the Run button that corresponds to the Windows Store apps. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Then for the next method is we can also clear the Microsoft Store cache by using a command. Now press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Type wsreset.exe. It's wsreset.exe. Click on OK. And this will bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. And as you can see, this is working now. Then let me just close this window. Now for the final method is we can re-register the Microsoft Store. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here, simply paste this command. This will be posted in the description section of this video. So this will re-register the Microsoft Store. Now hit Enter. Now once done, you just need to simply close out of here, but you need to wait for the process to be fully done. So once this is completely done, close out of here and then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, just open your Microsoft Store. So if any of the solutions help in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.